George, you ready to get some tickets, man?
Bam! 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 What's that? Wolverine! What is that? Wolverine.
This one needs a paint job.
Get him mad. Why are you so mad?
Angry.
Mad! Why are you so mad?
Get out of here. Jim!
Brake fluid, run.
Look at this pass.
How you getting home with no cap on your brake fluid reservoir?
Oh, dude, the oil. What is this?
What is that?
What is that?
Here, hold it up high. You can't fucking get it. Hold it up. Come on, George, get it. Get the oil cap.
Hey.
What are you missing?
Oh, the brake fluid.
Where is it?
Brake fluid cap, you had it.
I don't have it. I gave it away.
Look, two.
Sleep. Don't worry about it.
It slipped.
Hey. Slipped.
All right. That's not on. George, you didn't put your oil cap. This isn't on.
George, come on. You need an oil cap.
It's not on.
Come on, George.
Joe, seriously?
Yes, TM.
No, seriously, refucking connect this shit. I gotta get out of here.
Your oil cap's still unconnected, and you're still missing that brake fluid cap.
Well, put the fucking brake fluid cap.
I don't know where it is. I gave it to some. I gave it to Joe. I don't know what he did. Up. Spark plug wire.
What's that?
You're on 7 cylinders.
All right. Well, where's the fucking brake fluid cap?
I don't know.
I don't know where it is.
I don't smell like brake fluid.
It's the police.
Coolant and oil.
I gave it to Joe.
You didn't give it to Joe.
I did give. Ask Joe. I gave it to Joe. I don't know what he did with it, I swear.
Because it wasn't me.
Joe Mama?
Market of West Seneca.
Or J&J Speed Shop sells it.
J&J Speed Shop sells
got it in stock.
radiator caps. Oh, the radiator cap's back.
He knows the guy on Monday.
Fucking leaking radiator shit.
Radiator shit? What's it called?
Coolant.
Okay.
It's radiator fluid.
Joe, give him his cap back. Now,
What's going on over there?
It fell off on your tire.
Fucking slam your hands in.
I'll slam your face. I just put your headers on yesterday,
Please
asshole.
pop the hood. Yeah, but what about that spark plug wire that's in my pocket?
Alright, we'll show you guys around, alright?
Did you really? Did you leave that unplugged? Did you leave that unplugged?
Huh?
Did you leave that unplugged?
I'm not going to reveal the answer to that,
Oh,
but
no.
we'll find out momentarily.
You won't know. These things run good on 7 cylinders.
Apparently.
Or 5.
Have fun.
Let me know if the brakes don't work.
You ever watch the Flintstones?
Oh boy.
Bye, George. Hey, hey, hey. Red means stop. Green means go.
Yellow doesn't mean go faster.
Oh, burnouts.
That runs good for being on 7 cylinders.
What's it leaking?
What is that?
Why are you trying to pick